Okay, so to submit a picture, you can click on the assignment, submit the assignment, and then you're going to click on File Upload, choose a file, find the file that you have on your that you took with your phone or camera or your computer. Hit open and it's going to be there, and then just hit Submit Assignment, and then it'll say congratulations, and I will have a picture of his assignment on my end. Okay, if you think you made a mistake, you can always resubmit an assignment. If not, you can see right here it says downloaded the picture. Now I'll go on my end and show you what I see. So now when I'm on my side, I see the picture that he downloaded or you downloaded. I downloaded that one for him, so don't worry about it. Just make sure you're hitting that upload button and then sending the picture from your file onto the computer. All right, I hope this helps. Bye.